The colour pink signifies affection, harmony and peace. It's a soft colour associated with babies, flowers and sweetness. It's predominantly a feminine colour associated with flowers, candy floss and bubble gum too. It's a colour of clothing, bedding and toys for newborns and a popular colour of wedding wear. Pink is anti-aggression and the softer side of the overpowering red. Grey is a neutral colour which is without immediate emotion, yet is usually associated with meanings of dullness and moodiness. The colour is dull, but can be sophisticated and conservative in certain applications. Grey is the light black and so removes in part the associated negatives of black and provides a more diluted solution. Grey is usually the colour which is used as a base to depict silver alongside other tones in graphic design. Black is the colour of darkness which is known to reflect light and is, when perceived, a lack of colour. Black is only a colour when it's in the form of a substance or an emission. A wearer of black can appear more slim, as a black room can appear smaller. It's the colour of stern authority, power and submission. It's associated with evil and grief, but it's also linked to formality and sophistication. The colour black can be regarded as a positive or negative depending upon its application. Its boldness makes black a popular colour which is used alongside many other colours in graphic design and is, in most cases, the chosen colour of outlining. It's good to become familiar with black because you'll be using it again and again.